when you when you are tired and dance a lot, that's the hardest thing. But I think Earth Song is a hard song because it's high notes, and I think songs like Beat It is also hard because you have to sing high notes and dancing the whole time. But also slow songs like Heal the World can be hard because you came from more than 1 hour show and you have to breathe and sing in a more soft way.
Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, March 12, 2025, Michael Jackson impersonator Rodrigo Teaser bubuhayin, ang King of Pop, may goosebumps. Feel nang makaharap at makausap namin ng personal ang isa sa pinakasikat na impersonator ni Michael Jackson na si Rodrigo Teaser. Isa kami sa nabigyan ng pagkakataon na makilala at makatsikahan ang Brazil-based singer-songwriter na matagal nang gumagaya sa yumaong iconic international artist at tinaguri ang King of Pop. Nasa Pilipinas ngayon si Rodrigo para sa kanyang Michael Lives Forever, na isang tribute show para sa King of Pop sa darating na March 14 and 15 na magaganap sa Newport Performing Arts Theater, Pasay City. Humarap ang international artist sa ilang piling members ng entertainment media kahapon, March 11, para sa press con ng kanyang show kung saan game na game niyang sinagot ang mga questions sa kanya. Ayon kay Rodrigo, ilan sa mga kakantahin niya sa show ay ang timeless hits ni MJ tulad ng Thriller, Billie Jean, Smooth Criminal, at marami pang iba na siguradong ikatutuwa ng milyon-milyong Pinoy fans ng pop icon. Performing with a live band and entourage of dancers with over 60 costume changes, asahan ang bonggang-bonggang production numbers mula kay Rodrigo kung saan muli nga niyang bubuhayin ang mga alaala ni MJ. Rodrigo Teaser first started imitating Michael Jackson at the early age of 9. He then performed on numerous local TV shows in Brazil. In 2005 Rodrigo was selected to be highlighted on Michael's website as one of his top imitators and was asked to perform at his celebration party. He was then invited to New York City to perform at 20-30 Years of Magic, an event that highlighted imitators from Latin America. While back in Brazil, Rodrigo was already starting to develop a name for himself as the top Michael Jackson impersonator, sharing the stage with some of the country's top artists. Rodrigo Teaser is the only impersonator mentioned on Michael Jackson's official website, ang mababasa sa biography ng singer. Michael Lives Forever is choreographed by Lavelle Smith Jr., who has been Michael's choreographer for over 20 years and has been involved in the music videos of singers such as En Vogue, Janet Jackson and Beyonce Knowles. Smith has won the MTV Video Music Award for Best Choreography 5 times, sabi pa sa profile ni RT. Sa mga gusto pang humabol, available pa ang tickets sa Ticket World at SM Tickets. Samantala na ikwento rin ni Rodrigo na nabigyan siya ng chance na makausap ang ilang kapamilya ni MJ, I had the opportunity to talk with some of Michael's brothers. I've talked to Jermaine and Jackie and they are very kind. But I'm not sure if they watched what I do. I know some nephews of Michael know about it, they sent me videos saying this is nice, aniya pa. Last time I performed in China, we had one of the nephews perform with US. We performed together and it was a huge honor. I know how much Michael loved them, we became friends and he showed me so many videos and moments he had with Michael, pagbabahagi pa niya. In fairness, inamin din ni Rodrigo na talagang nagpagawa siya ng ilong para lumapit ang itsura niya kay Michael Jackson, I had a nose job. It's the one thing I did. I think without makeup, I don't look like Michael. Because the rest is just makeup. Without makeup, a lot of people said to me, you look like Bruno Mars, natatawa pang say ni Rodrigo sabay kanta ng Versace on the Floor, ala MJ.
Breathe and sing in a more soft way, you know, there's a place, those kind of things. Oh, I'm sitting so it's easier, but there's a place in your heart and I know that it is love.
At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates. Like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.